Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to export videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, now here as you can see, I have this project and I want to render a specific part in my sequence. So here as you can see, this is the sequence and I want to export this only video. So simply I'm gonna press the I button in order to highlight the timeline like so. And this is the start point that I will start my render from. Then I wanna go to the latest part of the video, just like so. Here as you can see, I'm doing the zoom in. Then I want to go and select the end of my video that I want to export. Then I'm going to press the O letter on my keyboard. And here I have this sequence or this area highlighted. Now, in order to export it, here you can simply click on export on the top left side, or simply press Ctrl plus M if you are using your keyboard. Just click on Ctrl plus M. And here it will show you here this page. Now you can change the name by clicking on this option right here. Then change the name. You can click on this in order to change the location. And you can choose the format. I'm going to choose H.264. You can choose the preset. Here you have some presets that are actually ready to use. But here I will choose custom, then H.264. Here you have the video. You can choose the frame rate of the video. I'll have it chosen 60, which is actually the same frame rate of the video itself that I have actually been working on the project. You can choose the quality, the format size, and the aspect, which is pixels. Now scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the bitrate encoding. I'm gonna choose VPR2 pause. Then I'm gonna set these two options to 15 and 15. And here you have the audio, and you wanna make sure that you have the same settings as I have right here. The bitrate also set it to the maximum, or 320 is perfect. The channels is stereo. The sample rate is 48,000 hertz. And you want to go and click on export once you're all done. And make sure that you have this option right here, range in and out, just in order to export only what we have added in the previous section that I have said to you. Press the I button, then the O button, and when you click on this range and select the in and out, it will only export the in and out. And if you want to export the whole sequence, you want to go and click on entire source, but I will not do this in my case. Then you want to go and click on export, and your video will be exported. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.